Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise to answer the question raised by Honorable Sanjay Kripal. Mr. Speaker, this program, the journey began in November last year, and to date, Honorable Speaker, 248 students took advantage of this program. What this program is, Mr. Speaker, the School Employment Exposure Program is a 2 weeks workplace attachment for our students with the aim of giving them experience in work readiness and help students nurture their skills needed in any work environment. Mr. Speaker, this is highlighted in the National Employment Policy, Policy Priority 1, which is to create more opportunities for young people aged 15 to 24 years to follow clear pathways from education to employment. Mr. Speaker, the program also provides students with an insight into the real world of work and gain first-hand experience on the work readiness. Mr. Speaker, we have partners to run this program, and I would also like to acknowledge the Fiji Higher Education Commission, Ministry of Education, the Fiji Commerce and Employers Federation, training providers, and industry partners. Mr. Speaker, the students who took part in these two programs, one in Central and one in the Western Division, they were also given allowance. The reason why I'm highlighting this because I know the opposition will jump on that, whether the students or the youths were given allowance or no. So I thought that I will inform the House as well that all students who took part in this program were given their allowances. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I thank the Honourable Minister.